Welcome to the breathtaking Iguazu Falls, one of the world's greatest natural wonders, located on the border of Brazil and Argentina. This incredible waterfall system features around 275 cascading waterfalls stretching nearly 2.7 kilometers.
Kalau kita berada di
From
Iguazu
the
Falls,
Brazilian side, you'll get the best
Brazil
panoramic
area.
views, including the
Kalau
powerful Devil Road where roaring waters and mist fill the air. It's a stunning display of nature's power and beauty in one unforgettable place. If Iguazu Fall is on your bucket list,
kita berada di
like,
Brazil
follow,
area
and join me for more travel
waterfall.
adventure around the world.